Hello, my name is Kafile Senan Grant, and I will use the HOLT lens tool as well as my own research to provide a clear illustration of Novartis' current position and future economic prospects. Novartis is a Swiss-based global healthcare company operating through three divisions: pharmaceuticals, eye care, and generics, each with their own competitive portfolio of medicines and therapies. Since incorporation, Novartis has achieved generous economic returns with a high of 14% and an average spread of 7%. The asset growth chart shows their success in refining their investment strategy, relying less on divestitures to balance their portfolio over time. The focused approach has earned strong returns, consistently outperforming the market index. HOLT's basic scenario gives Novartis an 18% upside, with a 5-year forecasted CFROI resting at 2% above the market implied rate. Growth projections show similar results. We can better understand the market's pessimism by addressing the performance drivers chart. The performance drivers are indicative of fade. Although sales, margins, and asset turns are high, there is downward movement. The negative trend in asset turns is greater than margin growth. This diminishes sales. Furthermore, the return on gross investment has declined by 3% annually since 2010. These results are symptomatic of larger industry trends. At first glance, pharma seems to be in waning stages of maturity leading into decline. The market is becoming saturated with smaller firms. Costs are driven up by increasingly stringent regulations. Most importantly, R&D productivity has stagnated in the wake of an impending patent cliff. These trends negatively impact the performance of Novartis and its peers, driving returns and market expectations lower. Contrary to popular market opinion, pharma shows all the signs of entering a transformative phase. Novartis in particular is in position to reap the benefits of massive growth opportunity. Revolutionary advances in biomedical science, exploding demand for medicines in developing economies, and the dismantling of free trade barriers. To take advantage, a firm will have to control costs despite negative pressures, hedge against competitive pressure, and capitalize on scientific developments to revive R&D productivity, all of which Novartis is fully capable of and has been doing consistently. HOLT's metrics, as well as my own analysis, show that an 18% upside in the short term and high potential for growth in the long are well-warranted conclusions. Novartis is a strong buy that will likely outperform short-term market expectations.